Hey, and welcome to the show. I'm the Crypto Kid, and in this video we're going to be taking a look at the NAGA coin, which is an upcoming ICO from one of the largest German fintech companies in the world, the NAGA Group. So let's jump right in. So if you're new to the channel, please hit that subscribe button and follow along because we do make daily videos. But in this video we're doing something special, and we're singling out the NAGA token sale here, and it starts in 5 days. Now this information was just released via bitcoin.com, so this is a legitimate ICO. Not only that, but it is being endorsed, or to join the board of advisors is not only the CEO of bitcoin.com, Roger Ver. Now Roger Ver, as well as the COO of bitcoin.com, and his colleague Mate Tokay, are both the board's financial, or just basically the ICO advisors of the entire project itself. So in my opinion, there couldn't be two better names of people that could be involved with such a project. And here's why. If you don't know who Roger Ver is, he was one of the first investors in Bitcoin, dubbed Bitcoin Jesus, and he was also in a lot of big projects, some of them notably BitPay, Ripple, Kraken, and being the CEO of Bitcoin.com, as well as starting companies like blockchain.info and the Bitcoin Foundation. It's safe to say that this man knows his stuff. Now, not only that, but Mate Tokay is also the CEO of Bitcoin.com, as well as a very well-respected individual in the economy. So there's a couple big names here, but not only that, the project appealed to me instantly, and I wanted to share a few new ideas and coins that I invest in, and I figured, hey, on this channel, this is a great spot to start, the NAGA coin. So if you look at the company itself, it is a German fintech company, and they have been around for a while. Now, their IPO was one of the largest or fastest growing IPOs the last 15 years. They raised, or I think the current price is 400% over the initial price. So already they're already doing really cool things. And if you're not an investor, or you don't play the stocks, you might not be so familiar with this platform. Currently what they allow you to do is work with the stock exchange, and they allow you to trade and follow, so you can create followers, and the more you make as an investor, the more followers you get, and you actually will invest and create earnings based on that. And that is what the NAGA coin essentially is. But I should back up a bit, because what NAGA is hoping to do is unbank the banked. So if you look at the NAGA company, the NAGA Group AG, again, they are a German fintech company. They're looking to be known as a disruptive financial technology. Now, their mission is simple. NAGA identifies and builds disruptive business models. We aim to bring the advantages of financial technology to the masses, making financial markets more accessible to everyone. Now, who doesn't like that? And how could Roger Ver not be a perfect advisor for this company? Now, again, if you look at these two investors, Fosun is one of the largest Chinese conglomerates for investing. It is massive, probably China's largest banking system. And if you look, we also have Hawk and Aufhäuser. They are a German bank, one of the oldest, or the oldest German banks, totally renowned. So the two financial advisors couldn't not be bigger and better. If they get into any issues at all, I'm sure those guys will be able to add in. But not only that, they've got a pretty awesome plan here. Now, if you're into investing, if you're into gaming, or if you're into looking into these payment systems like myself, this is an interesting place to be. Now, we spoke about Omise Go in our video this morning, in our daily videos. Now, this is a similar project in the sense that they hope to debank the banked and get anybody outside of these banks away from these banking systems, just to enable people to have access to their own money. And this is a really key concept that pulled me into this project, and the more and more that I've looked into it, the more it appeals to me. So if we go back to the main page here, let's take a look at the basics. As you can see, this is the main problem that the NAGA coin is hoping to solve, basically. Now, I'll just read it quickly. Investments and trading are ruled and governed by the greedy banks and corporations that control access, operate non-transparently, and always take a cut of your money. As a result, the industry suffers from low liquidity in virtual goods and cryptocurrencies, as well as the lack of a single interface and access to financial, virtual goods, and crypto markets. On top of this, the complexities and exclusive nature of existing financial systems currently leave over 2 billion people unbanked worldwide. Now, that is the key concept. 2 million, sorry, billion. Let's put a capital B on that one, because 2 billion people are their market here. Now, they're looking to make payments available. So they want to connect your wallet to your actual NAGA token card. So I'm sure it'll be connected with established financial systems like Visa or others, and basically you'll be allowed to use the NAGA platform as well as anything else in the world to interact with them financially, trading goods, services, cryptocurrencies, and accessing the financial market right through this platform. So the key concept that I found here is that they're hoping to allow you not to work for your tokens, but to actually earn them. So whether you're a gamer, you're trading, or you're just working along the platform using the actual system itself, you'll be gaining access to more and more of these tokens. And that is a key concept behind the actual NAGA token itself. Now, we can break this down to a simple payment system here, but I think the concept is a lot bigger than that. And when you look at everything that it does, it really opens your eyes to see the potential of where this can go. So let's simplify this a minute here and say and take a look at the ticker and the price. As you can see, they're looking to keep the name of the general existing company, NAGA. So they're going to be calling it the NAGA coin with a ticker symbol NGC. Now, the interesting thing here as well is that it will be capped, so there will only be a certain amount of tokens available. They're sitting at 220 million NGC tokens. Now, that will include everything, including the pre-sale, as well as everything that happens in the token sale. Now, the maximum you'll be able to pick up is 10 million, and minimum you'll be looking to get 10, but don't worry because they're only $1 each. And interestingly enough, because Mr. Veer is on board, you will be able to use your Bitcoin Cash as well as other cryptocurrencies, including Dash, Litecoin, Ethereum, Bitcoin, and as well as some fiat, including USD and Ethereum. Now, this token sale itself will begin in December, on December 1st, but there is a pre-sale as well kicking off in just about 6 days, 8 days away here on November 20th, and that'll run for about a week, and that will give you 30% on top of the initial coin offering. So when you kick into that token sale on December 1st, you won't get that added 30% bonus. So my advice would be to go over to the website. I'll leave a link below. Sign up, and then you can do some more research to say, hey, is this something that I want to get involved in or not? And by the time the token sale kicks off, you'll already be registered, ready to make that investment if it's something you want to do. The other cool thing is that it was initiated by Bitcoin.com to enhance the legitimacy of this ICO. And they've got a lot of added information here that the website has, but it kind of spells it out really clearly for you, including a little bit of background information on the NAGA group and some information if you're not familiar with who Roger Ver and Mate Toke are. So I won't go into too much information, but a little bit more on Roger Ver here. He was he is a well-respected advisor in Bitcoin and in the cryptocurrency industry. And he's also in a lot of different projects, the projects I mentioned, as well as something called Free Society, where they are going to be purchasing some land from a government that is undisclosed at this time and creating their own country. So this individual knows what's up. He's been involved with this scene before anybody else I know. And this will be definitely a project to keep an eye on. Not only Free Society, but the NAGA coin, because it's very rare for someone like Roger to get involved, and you'll notice that Vitalik Buterin and these big names are very hesitant to get involved in projects because there is a lot to lose. But from the research I've done, and I am getting this video out quickly, but I have been looking at this for most of the day to try to get as much information as I can. And the key things that appeal to me here is that the need for this type of a token still hasn't been established. The race is still ongoing to have a payment system that does eliminate the need for anyone to own a bank account. That has yet to really take off by one specific company. Now, there's a lot of people in the race is here to accomplish something like this, and I feel the NAGA coin has a huge opportunity to do so. not only because of Roger Ver's involvement, but the fact that this company already has an establishment in a huge grip in the industry itself, not only with the banks in Germany, but it's backing in China as well as other parts of the world. Now, if you scroll down to the bottom of the page here, you'll see a lot of other information here, such as some press information here and added videos. Now, if you are interested, please take a look at the website and make sure that you do your research, because ICOs are a risk no matter what the backing is, but there's also a huge opportunity for reward. Now, as you can see here, they do offer fiat options as well as cryptocurrency, and if you do currently own that token, you can definitely get involved with that as well, because when the wallet is initiated, you'll be able to trade with the platform that the NAGA platform allows you to, including investing, trading, different social media hubs, and other awesome opportunities that will allow you to grow your wealth with the NAGA token. So again, there's some a bit more information here. The pre-sale will be letting go about 5% of the tokens, so you'll want to make sure that you're interested for that 30%. You hit that link in the description box below. That does include my referral link, so that would be highly appreciated if you did sign up through that link, and that way we can all benefit if it does take off. And again, this is about a week away, so there's plenty of time if you're interested to get in and do the research to make sure that this is something that interests you and that you'll be waiting to look into. So again, November 20th is the pre-sale, the main sale happening on December 1st, and later in the month we'll be looking at the launch of the NAGA wallet in the new year, I should say. They're looking at the 1st of April, but probably more around springtime we can assume that will happen. And then again, once this happens, we'll be looking to advance the platform into something called the Swipe Stocks base, which will be these platforms that run off of the main NAGA system, allowing you to maximize your tokens and gain some wealth off of the platform itself. So tons of stuff to look at here, videos, information. Head over to the website. I'll leave some links in the description box so you can go sign up. But please hit that subscribe button if you're interested at all, because we're making daily videos, and again, we try to make everything easy to remember, and we cover everything in the cryptocurrency world. So thanks again for watching. Hit that subscribe and like button, and we'll see you in the next one.